The best cleaner application here, which you can use on your phone today, and I'll be showing you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and all you got to do once you have set it up properly, you can just pretty much tap on quick clean, and it will clear all the unnecessary files on your device. And when I mean all, I mean all. Also, you have the media section as well. You have to tap on the apps option here. Pretty much check what is the most used apps on your device. What are they doing? Everything. Apps overview, guys. So that's pretty much it for that option there. And if I go back and tap on install apps, I can go into this section here as well and delete apps that I do not want. I can also select all apps if I want to delete all of them at once. I can do that as well. Free up a lot of space. You want to do a force or deep clean, whatever the case is, you can do that as well, guys. So let me just go back real quick. You also have some system apps here and so forth. So over here in 3 lines, you have the pro subscription. We'll get into that later. Here also to your storage information, your videos, your audios, and everything there. You also have the photo optimizer option. You have cloud transfer, different type of stuffs here. Nothing much, but for the pro subscription now, you can just tap on the upgrade option here. Once you tap on that, this is where you're gonna see the subscription prices. So you have 2 subscriptions. You have the pro and you have the pro plus. So as you can see what we're getting with the Pro Plus version and what we're getting with the Pro version. So whichever one you choose, it's all up to you. But it's a very, very good cleaning application if your jumps are in checks on file, as you can see here. But some of these features may require subscription, so we'll keep that in mind. But very good application, was in the day and it is still today. So see you guys in the next tutorial.